Deconstruction isn't one path. For some, it means walking away from church. For others, it's redefining God. But for many, it's about keeping faith, but letting go of fear, shame, and control. Whatever your path, your journey is valid. See, I've been on all of these paths. I've walked away from religion completely, the church, Jesus, the whole idea of a wrathful, vengeful, jealous God. I just couldn't do it anymore. A God who needed fear to stay in power, a Jesus used as a tool to control behavior. Well, that wasn't a faith that I wanted to follow. But even when I left religion, spirit never left me. Something sacred still stirred within me. A desire to connect with something bigger, something loving, something good. I didn't have a name for it though. But I still loved God. I just didn't know who or what God was anymore. So I listened to that inner voice and I started asking better questions. And that's when I discovered a spiritual path that didn't tell me what to think, but taught me how to think. A path that didn't punish doubt, but welcomed it. That didn't demand obedience, but invited alignment. Slowly, I began replacing harmful theology with a faith rooted in love, in goodness, and in my own divinity. Today, I'm walking the path of New Thought Christianity. I'm studying at the Johnny Coleman Theological Seminary, not because I've figured it out, but because I want to go deeper. I'm exploring what it means to build a relationship with a God that is mine, not the one I was taught, not the one that left me afraid, but a relationship that feels loving, expansive, empowering, and real. This channel is my sacred space to share that journey. I'll be reflecting on the questions that I'm asking, the answers that I'm discovering, and the shifts I'm making in my own way. And I want to hear from you, because your voice, your truth, your experience, well, it matters here. So if you're deconstructing, reconstructing, or just reimagining your faith like I am, if you've walked away, but you still feel the divine pulling you forward, if you believe that there's more to God than fear and control, then this is your invitation. Let's make a holy shift from restriction to freedom, from fear to love, from inherited beliefs to sacred truth. So hit subscribe, leave a comment, share your story. You are not alone. And this journey, well, it's only just beginning.